2023 has been an amazing year of adventure and growth for Brush by Brandy. It brought a trip to Australia, a trip to the UK for teaching at amazing events, teaching classes at the Redesign with Prima store in Temecula, California, an event with Salve Paint, during which I got to meet so many of you that I talk to so often. I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who's taken the time out to comment on a post or watch a video or keep us company during a live. I couldn't do any of this without all of you. I want to send a huge thank you to some of the brands I got to work with this year that make all of these amazing products that make this furniture painting adventure a reality. So to Redesign with Prima for your molds and your transfers on all the beautiful accessory products that are out there for us to use, thank you. And to Salve Paint, thank you for having a beautiful line of colors and chalk synthesis paint and 1 hour enamel that I can use on so many projects. To Annie Sloan, your wax is one of my favorites. I love using your paint. Thank you so much for your support this year. To Illumilite for your amazing casting resin that I get so many fun projects out of. To Poly Onlay, I loved meeting you guys and working with you all throughout the year. Your wood appliques are absolutely beautiful. To Salt Wash for some great texture this year. I really got to play with a lot more texture and it's been a lot of fun. To Artistic Painting Studios, I loved getting to meet you guys too. The foils are just now coming more into my hands, but I can't wait to use them. To Surf Prep because you're amazing sander. Without it, I don't know what I would do. It is an absolute staple in my workspace. To Apollo for your sprayer that sprays so many products so beautifully and so easily. To Modern Masters and Rust-Oleum, your metallic plaster transformed my staging wall this year, and I used so many of your metallics and patina projects. To Mint by Michelle for having me in Australia. Your beautiful papers have made some of my most popular projects this year. To the Turquoise Iris Journal for having me as a guest in your magazine this year. And so many more that I'm probably forgetting. There's so much exploration to do in this industry and I can't wait to get my hands on even more next year. Thank you to everyone who traveled out to one of my events and hugged me and shook my hand and made me feel so welcome. To Would You Ben, not only for your amazing line of products, but also for being a wonderful friend this year. Each one of these photos represents a project that has a tutorial up now on my YouTube channel or a class that I taught live in person this year. There are more techniques here than I can even mention, from smooth solid color finishes to beautiful multicolor blends. There's texture and appliques and resin and more. No matter what, I always try to keep things interesting and try new things here on my channel, and I hope to do that so much more in 2024. So thank you to everyone who's watched one of my videos or tagged me in one of your posts to show me how you've been inspired by one of these looks. I wish you all the best to your family and your DIY projects as we go into 2024.